Hi guys, I'm Tabitha. Today I'm really excited to share this adorable little kids spray mop with you guys. I just got this put together. It comes in just a few little parts and it's super easy to get assembled. So all you need to do is take the bottom part, attach the middle section that has the spray canister, and then attach your handle that has the trigger for the spray. And then you do get this cute little like scraper cleaning scrub tool that can also attach right here to the main rod. And then it's ready to go. So I have a 4-year-old son that absolutely loves to help clean and tidy up. So this is going to be a lot of fun for him to use. He can get involved and it's going to be great for him actually being productive and getting something clean while he helps. It does come with 2 of these microfiber attachments. You also have the option of putting the little wet mop attachments on, or even the little duster attachments, because it has the little holders here on the top. Now that doesn't come included in this set, but you can easily purchase those and use them as well. So I love that. The microfiber pads are machine washable, so it's going to be really easy to care for those in between use, and it's going to be easy to fill this up and let your toddlers play and help clean. So here's what the little water canister looks like. Just unscrew the cap and you can fill that up. And the cap is a little leak-proof cap, so you don't have to worry about any water falling out. And then just push that in there nice and snug. And then it's super easy to press that trigger. It's not too hard. It should be perfectly fine for little ones like 3, 4, and up. So my son absolutely adores this thing. We have all hardwood floors aside from our bathrooms with tiles, so we have loads of mopping that needs doing, and we are going to really enjoy this. I think you guys would as well, and I think your kids would love it. So if you're looking for a way to get them involved and have them help you around the house, this is a great option. I would definitely give this a try.